way up. I mean, beyond our own solar system, to meet our galaxy's absolutely massive next-door neighbor. And get this, it's a neighbor that's on a collision course with us, and one you can actually see with your own two eyes. Let's dive in. You know, we all know we live in the Milky Way, right? But have you ever really stopped to think about whether we're truly alone out here in our little cosmic neighborhood? Well, the answer is a big, resounding no. Our home galaxy is part of something called the local group. And in that group, it has a truly giant neighbor, a sort of cosmic sibling that's, believe it or not, a lot closer than you might think. Okay, so let's get properly introduced to this neighbor. What is this giant galaxy that's sharing our little corner of the universe? Astronomers call it Messier 31 or M31, but you probably know it by its much cooler, more famous name, the Andromeda Galaxy. And wow, it is an absolute sight to behold. And here it is. Seriously, just take a second to let that image sink in. This is Andromeda. What you're looking at is this sprawling city of stars, gas, and dust. It's our closest large galactic neighbor, and it is a true spectacle. Now, what's so cool is that Andromeda, just like our very own Milky Way, is a spiral galaxy. That means it's got these incredible sweeping arms in a flat, rotating disk, all swirling around a super bright center, or bulge. And those arms, they're like cosmic nurseries, just glowing with the light of brand new stars. They're some of the most beautiful things in the entire universe. Looking at a picture like that, it almost seems close enough to touch, doesn't it? But that brings up the next obvious question. Just how far away is our neighbor really? The number itself is just staggering. It's 2.5 million, a huge number for sure. But 2.5 million, what? That's 2.5 million light years. And to really wrap your head around that, 1 light year is the distance light travels in an entire year. So the light from Andromeda that might hit your eye tonight actually left that galaxy 2.5 million years ago. It's an almost unimaginable distance. And yet, this is our closest large galactic neighbor. Insane. All right, so let's talk about size. Because being close is one thing, but one of the most amazing facts about Andromeda is that it is way, way bigger than the Milky Way. And we're not talking a little bigger. The difference in scale is just immense. I mean, our home, the Milky Way, is huge, right? It has somewhere between 100 and 400 billion stars. But Andromeda, well, it's the undisputed heavyweight champion of our local cosmic neighborhood. It is way bigger in physical size and just has so much more star power. In fact, astronomers figure that Andromeda is home to as many as 1 trillion stars. That's 1,000 billion stars. It could be 10 times as many stars as our own galaxy. The scale is just, it's absolutely mind-bending to think about. But you know, this story isn't just about two neighbors living peacefully side by side. Nope. The relentless pull of gravity has a much more dramatic plan in store for our two galaxies. We're talking about a collision in the future. That's right. And this isn't some science fiction movie plot. Scientists have been tracking Andromeda's movement for years, and they've confirmed it. It's on a direct collision course with our Milky Way. So, here's how this whole cosmic dance is going to play out. Right now, as we speak, Andromeda is hurtling towards us at about 110 kilometers every single second. Now, in about 4.5 billion years, the two galaxies are going to start to collide. But don't panic. Space is so incredibly vast that it's super unlikely any individual stars will actually crash into each other. Instead, they'll kind of just pass by one another as the galaxies merge over hundreds of millions of years. And the result of all this, a brand new, even bigger galaxy, which some people have nicknamed Milkometa. Okay, after all that talk about mind-boggling distances and future collisions, let's bring this all the way back to Earth. Back to you, right now. Let's talk about how you can actually spot Andromeda in the night sky. You probably think that something 2.5 million light years away would require some crazy, powerful telescope to see, right? Well, what's so amazing is you don't. And this is the final incredible takeaway for today. On a really clear, dark night, far away from all the city lights, the Andromeda Galaxy is actually visible to the naked eye. It looks like a small, faint, fuzzy patch of light up in the sky. Just think about that for a second. You can look up and see the ancient light from a trillion other stars, a whole other galaxy, just with your own eyes. It's such a profound connection to the true scale of the universe. Learning about our place in the universe, it's just so humbling and awe-inspiring, isn't it?
Does it make you want to go out and explore even more of these cosmic mysteries?
Well, I hope so, and if it does, you should definitely stick around. Because in our next explainer, we're going to dive into the single most mysterious substance in the entire universe, dark matter. Thanks so much for joining us.